Hello, this is Airdrop Sniper. In today's video, I've brought you a free mining opportunity. It might feel like it's the last train, but it's still worth hopping on. I think you don't want to feel like you missed out. So, I'm going to start this project as well. I've known about this project for a while but ignored it. Now I can't ignore it anymore, so I'm bringing it to you. Before we start, join my Telegram announcement channel. I cover all additional details there. Be sure to join for more updates after this video. Now let's talk about the project. If you've done airdrop projects, you'll know about Grass. Grass gave big profits to many people. It's currently at about $3.25, but it started at 64 cents. Even those who bought it at listing saw significant profits. Those who mined it for free and held onto it also made huge gains. Grass was as simple as installing it on your PC. You could mine for free, and it delivered big results. At that time, Grass was receiving huge market attention. It matched that attention with real profits. Now there are many next Grass projects emerging. One of them was No2Pay. But today, I'm introducing the DAWN project. I'm getting involved because of a major announcement. VanEck, the largest U.S. asset management firm, invested in it. Such news acts as momentum for even bigger profits. We cannot ignore momentum like this. Some worry that VC might decline. But during a bull market, those worries will make you lose a lot of opportunities. Right now, don't think too much and just do it. VanEck isn't the only investor involved in DAWN. Dragonfly has also led substantial investments. The project has secured significant funding. That's why this project cannot be ignored. DAWN is similar to Grass and No2Pay. It operates on the Solana chain, just like Grass. It uses blockchain technology to revolutionize broadband access. DAWN is a decentralized internet provider. The platform is familiar and well-funded. To participate, install the Chrome extension. The extension lets you mine automatically. I'll show you how to install and operate it. First, download and install the Chrome extension. Once installed, you'll see it appear in your browser. Click the Continue button before logging in. We need to sign up before starting. Input your name or nickname and email address. Then enter your password and confirm it. I'll leave a referral code in the description. Make sure to input that referral code. Click the Create Account button to proceed. Complete the CAPTCHA verification at the bottom. You'll receive a verification email. Go to your email and click the Verify button. Once completed, go back to Chrome and log in. When logging in, you'll encounter the CAPTCHA verification. The CAPTCHA text can be quite hard to see. Take your time and proceed carefully. Once you're in, the mining setup is ready. Now, let's talk about boost rewards. By completing simple tasks, you can earn extra points. Follow their Twitter and join their Discord. Enter their Telegram channel as well. You'll earn a total of 15,000 points for these steps. Make sure to claim these points. Then, let the mining process run in the background. When the extension shows green, you're good to go. I'll guide you through updates like airdrop distributions. Join my Telegram channel for additional information. This is it for today's video. This was Airdrop Sniper. Be sure to join the Telegram channel. Let's mine together and aim for big gains. Thank you for watching.